Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going bowling at the waterfront. Look at these tiny humans.
We were eating before we got here. We must eat.
So the reason we chose waterfront is because it's near our workplace compared to village market or Sarit, really, because of traffic. And these people have never been to waterfront before for bowling, so that's why we were here. For me, this was my second time here for bowling. I had been here before, and the reason I recommended it to my colleagues is because it was so affordable. Because the last time we were here, we paid 350 shillings per game. But this time we paid 500 shillings because it's on a Friday. From Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they charge 500 shillings per game. But it's still very, very amazing. And you can see they have different other games. We're on PS, we're on VR. They have, actually, they also have a bar on the same floor. So you can buy your drinks there and chill as you wait for your session to begin. And let me show you guys around what else they have. I got 4 out of 5, so I'm a pro. Invite me to NBA. And then they have the darts here. You can play darts. And then there's a pool table. Actually, they have very many pool tables, and this place for kids to play here. And you can see now these are the pool tables. They have 1, 2, 5 of them. There's a football table here, and their games are pretty affordable. I think the pool table is either 200 or 100 bob. Football the same. And for kids, you can either buy bulk games or you can just pay per game depending on what they like. So this is how the other place looks like. It is very pretty. Like, your kids will have a lot of fun here if you bring them here. Yes, and finally, this is the PS place and the VR and VR place, and for artificial intelligence games here, you can play them from this side. iFun VR. bowling is just basically you pick the ball and aim at the pins, just like that. So upper, it's your aiming game that is going to make you win or lose. And I would highly recommend, if you go for bowling, go as a big group, because the more you are, the longer the game lasts. And so for us, we were a team of 10, and then we decided to do 5-5. But the next time we're going, I think we'll do 10 people, one line, so that the game lasts longer. Because ours at this point, I think it lasted for about 30 minutes, and you can see how much fun we had. And but you can also go for as 2 people, though the game will be very short, because it means you after one person has finished throwing the ball, the next person is doing it. Yeah, it's doable, but I would highly recommend you go as a bigger group. For team 1, I was leading with 77. Team 2, the leader was at 89. And then we proceeded to semi-finals, and this is how it went down. Guess what, guys? I won 87 versus 54, and that was a wrap at Waterfront. And the next time, this is us going to Westgate in Westage to try out their bowling alley, and this time it was just me and my friend Len, and so you will see how different it is. We started with a movie. Their movie theaters, but they are very, very amazing. Try them out if you need to watch a movie. They also have this kids playing area here. Highly recommend. It looks very cozy. And then let me show you how it went down with the bowling alley. It's also called Strikez, so I'm thinking it's the same people having different locations. I loved their shoes. They look so pretty. And yeah, check them out. So here at Westgate, we paid 800 shillings per person per game, meaning it's 300 shillings more expensive than Waterfront. But it looks prettier, and of course you can see it had more people. And it being on a Saturday, we were not expecting anything less. This game was up at 7 p.m. if I'm not wrong. We started at 7 p.m. And you see bado kuna watu wengi, but it was fun. They also have a cocktail bar. You can order drinks there, and a food menu. But the thing is, the prices are pricier compared to Waterfront, but it's still a good place to go and visit, because for me, I loved it. I love the fact that it was very well lit. You can see the brightness compared to the previous video. So yeah, I totally had good fun, good amount of fun. At this rate, guys, I think I should just add bowling to my CV and say I am a bowling expert, because I came in like a wrecking ball. But who's up? Who wants to fight me on this game? Who wants to compete? Because I still won. I still won this game, and I'm feeling so happy. I was feeling so happy. So for now, I am I'm the champion for this game. I'm the reigning champion until somebody comes and beats me. Yes. let me not just show you where I was winning, guys. I was also missing out. Nilikuwa na hata kuhata. Yeah, but my kuhata I still won. So guys, yeah, that's a wrap from the two places we went bowling. And I was making this video so that I can show you guys the difference between the two places. So if you're looking for a place to go bowling, you can choose the one that makes sense to you. Instead of going all the way to Waterfront, you can still go to Westgate, or depending on your location and your preference, those are my two highly recommended places you can go. But I'll soon do one for Village Market and give you guys a view of how it feels like, so that you guys can choose. So until next time, so thank you so much for watching my videos and recommending them to your friends. So thank you, and guys, see ya.